Welcome y'all to Robin on the Farm. Today I'm making 3-ingredient Greek yogurt drop biscuits. These are fantastic because they're ready in less than 30 minutes and there's no eggs, no butter, no oil, no yeast. You just mix, scoop, and bake. Super simple and really yummy too. Before you even get started on this recipe, get your oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to take 2 cups of self-rising flour, that's about 240 grams, and just dump it into your mixing bowl. Now you can also use all-purpose flour, add some baking powder and some salt. I'll leave that on the printable recipe for you too. Or you can even make this with fresh milled flour. Okay, to that, we're going to add some buttermilk. I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. This is about 240 grams of buttermilk. Just pour that right on into your mixing bowl too. Now I'm using just this cultured low-fat buttermilk from the grocery store, but real buttermilk is even better, or just take some whole milk, add a tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice, and that'll be a great substitute. Next we want some Greek yogurt, but I just realized I measured out an entire cup of Greek yogurt. That is not right. We only want a 1/4 cup. Okay, our next ingredient for these Greek yogurt drop biscuits is some Greek yogurt. You only want a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and that's about 60 grams. Now I'm using this whole milk plain Greek yogurt, but any kind will do. Just add that right on in there with your self-rising flour and your buttermilk. See, aren't these so easy? You just add everything to the bowl at one time and then give them one mix, and that's all it takes. Now I'm going to give these 3 ingredients a really good whisk. Get them well incorporated. You don't want to overmix it. That'll give you some tough drop biscuits. Just mix until all of that flour's combined, and that's all it takes. These smell so good. They're so good and tangy with that buttermilk and that plain Greek yogurt. These are really good drop biscuits. All right, I have this all mixed up really well, and you can see the consistency of this biscuit batter. Now, the kind of flour that you use, the buttermilk, the Greek yogurt are all going to play a big factor in how thick or thin your batter is. But this is very forgiving, and it's okay if it's a little bit thicker, a little bit thinner. This is going to turn out just fine. So now that my batter's ready, I'm going to scoop this batter into a muffin tin. Now, you can use just a cookie sheet. That'll be fine for drop biscuits. I like making mine in my muffin tin. This is my favorite cast iron muffin tin. You can use any muffin tin that you want. It doesn't matter if it's cast iron or not. You're going to bake these exactly the same. Now, I'm going to make 6. You can make them smaller, bigger, whatever you want. You would get a different size and they'd have to bake a little bit differently. But I'm just going to scoop this batter out, put it right on into this muffin tin, and then it's going to be time to throw these into the oven. Be sure that your oven's preheated to 400 degrees. These are very versatile drop biscuits. You can add some cheese, some garlic powder, maybe some herbs, anything you'd like, and it really changes these up. This is a great base recipe, so feel free to get creative and experiment with these. They're so easy, so fast, great for when you need something on the table fast. I absolutely love biscuits, and drop biscuits are so easy to make. Especially these. There's no cutting in the butter, there's no rolling, there's no cutting. I mean, these are fantastic. Now that I have all of my batter in the muffin pan, I'm going to throw these into the oven to bake. I'm going to let these bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I'll show them to you when they're ready. Look how good these 3-ingredient Greek yogurt drop biscuits look. Oh, these look gorgeous. These are really hot, but I'm going to go ahead and break into this one. Ooh. Really hot. Oh, look at that. Perfectly baked inside, and they smell so good. Now, a great thing about these drop biscuits is that you can enjoy them savory, maybe with just a little bit of butter, or you can make them sweet. I love them with some butter and some honey or some preserves. Oh, it just makes them so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You know that tastes good. Yep, these are delicious. These are tender, flavorful, and way easier than any kind of other biscuits you can make. These are fantastic. I'm going to leave the printable recipe for these simple 3-ingredient Greek yogurt drop biscuits down in the description and on my website, robinonthefarm.com. Give these a try. I think you're going to like them. you like simple recipes like this, I bet you'll love my 3-ingredient milk and honey bread or my 3-ingredient biscuits made with melted butter. If you're looking for a great way to store your baked goods, be sure to check out our handmade beeswax bread bags.
Robin's in the kitchen, dough beneath her hands, wheat from the fields and eggs from her land. Sunlight through the window, a warm golden glow. She's working hard to make that dough. With flour on her apron, loving each need, ground wheat fresh, sowing her seed. The smell of fresh bread rises in the air.